Hi, Brianne. Here's a really quick tutorial on how to prepare a document to send out to a client. So once you're logged in, this should be the splash screen you see in DocuSign. And you're going to want to go ahead and select the document you want to share. You can either drag and drop it. I'm working on one screen right now, so that's not an option. Then locate the document. Fair Start Hunger Meals Contract 2023 for Neighborhood House. And I'll drop that in there. It'll take a moment. And then you'll see that document is there ready to go. The first things you need to do are set up who the signers are. In this particular instance, I am going to use you and I as the signers. So first and last name in that box, and you are needs to sign, and then add a recipient. I'll use myself there. Also needs to sign. A couple other things you can do if you want to is you can set up a third person as a receives a copy or is an in-person signer or needs to view, etc. The only one that I really ever use these for is receives a copy, which I use for HR. So now we've got the recipients that we need in there, and I'm going to click on next, and this should bring up the document to prepare itself. So looking through here, I only see a couple signatures that are needed, so that is great. If you ever need to, you can add initial boxes. You can see all the selections on the left-hand side. You can do some customization, and we can get into that later. So for that first signature, I'm going to get the signature field, drag and drop it over there. So for Fair Start, I will be the signer today, and then I'll drag in a date, and that will also be for Fair Start. And then the next part is going to be the signature, and this is the client signature there. So you are the client, Brianne Adams, and then the date signed, and I'll drop that in there. And if everything looks good, which I believe it does, we should be all good. You can create some customized field boxes as well. There's some in there already, phone numbers, postal codes, etc. No shortage of those. If you ever need help, I'm happy to take a look as well. So now we click on send, and the document should send away.